Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show with you a multi-time frame perspective for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. So let's begin. Some days ago I updated Bitcoin analysis. The first one was posted at this point when the price completed the harmonic pattern, and later when the price was in this area here. As you can see, the price moved down, tested the zone again, and it reached the first target that I shared during the previous time. However, if we are going to break this down from a weekly perspective, we can see that on the past, after the price broke out from the all-time high, at that time 64,850, created a new high, and as you can see, we have also a close above this area, so the price was showing for a possible bullish movement from this zone. But it happened the opposite movement, the price moved down, and if we are going to look at the current price position, we are almost in the same situation. If we are going to extend the all-time high price level, 69,000, we can see that currently the price already closed a weekly candle above this area. It was showing for a possible bullish movement, but so far it is likely that we may see the same scenario. So we have to be very careful. As long as the price created this type of fake movement on the past, we may see this movement to be repeated again. So this is what we may expect on a higher time frame. In the current conditions, we have to be careful because on the 4-hour time frame, the price already completed this harmonic pattern, and if this pattern is the harmonic pattern on the top, the chances are very high that the price may continue to move down from this point, and it may complete from a normal correction that can stop close to this strong support area that is located close to 62,000, and from this area here we may see the price rising up again. If this movement is going to happen from the pattern completion zone, this is going to be 13 to 14% movement. But on the other hand, if we are going to look at for a possible deeper bearish correction, then we may see the price moving down to this structure zone. Overall, this movement from the top is between 25% and 30%. So it can happen, but for this reason, the price has to break down below 62,000 and later it can continue in this way. If we are going to look at on a daily time frame, the reason that I'm looking at for this deeper correction up to 25% for the moment is because on a higher time frame, this structure area was tested also on the past. So look at where the price stopped here. It proved that this area was very strong. And on the other hand, we have also another one, and we had also another smaller structure. For a bigger bearish movement that we may see a possible development is that on the weekly chart we had this bigger bearish wave when the price moved from 69,000 to 33,000, but this is for a possible bigger bearish movement, and we have this movement here. So this is a possible cloud movement that we may see for a longer time frame. And as you can see, the price is already showing that it can test this area of support close to 43,000. However, I wouldn't like to focus on this part for the moment. What is more important on Bitcoin is the fact that this is showing bearish movements. The first and the strongest support area is located close to 62,000, and if the price will manage to break through this zone, then it may continue on the next support zone close to 54,000. So this is what I'm looking at. If the price will manage to stop close to 62,000, then we may see a corrective movement and not a deeper bearish move. So both these movements have higher chances of happening. From this price position, considering that Bitcoin is not taking a clear direction yet, it is also possible that the price may test the resistance zone of the pattern close to 71 and 72, and it can move down again. So all these movements are possible from this perspective, but overall the picture is showing that we may see a bearish movement happening on Bitcoin very soon. So this is for Bitcoin, that is the first one. And the second one that I'm looking at is Ethereum. It stands in a different position compared with Bitcoin, but it is already showing for a possible bearish move. On a 4-hour time frame, we saw that the price created this bearish wave, and the chances are that we can see another bearish wave happening from the current position. However, during these days, we saw also that the price already completed this type of wedge pattern. Arising in this way, the chances for a bearish correction or a bearish wave. So it looks really good so far. The price also tested the top of this zone here, and the price reaction was very good, considering also where Bitcoin is positioned right now. This is raising the chances that it can continue moving down even more. So the first target, let's say short-term target for Ethereum in these conditions, is at this point 3,300. So it looks really good here. The second one, as a normal correction, will be close to 3,100 probably. And if the price will manage to break through this support area, which is very strong from this perspective, I think that Ethereum has the potential to move down further. So probably we may see Ethereum testing even this zone, close to 2,700, and these are the targets for extended movement. However, 2,700 is going to be a very important target zone. If we are going to measure this movement from the top, we can see that this is showing for a possible movement like Bitcoin that is approximately 25-26%. But for this reason, the price has to break through the previous support zone. So let's see what is going to happen. This is the analysis that I'm looking at for Bitcoin and Ethereum during the coming week. Probably the economy calendar that we already have will have the power to push the price down again. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.